Did you know that a single ancient oil could transform your health in ways you've never imagined? From breaking down stubborn lumps to easing digestion and even offering potential support in cancer treatments, castor oil has been quietly making waves for thousands of years. Used by ancient Egyptians, this oil's incredible benefits are still being uncovered today. If you're new to castor oil, stay tuned. What you're about to learn may just revolutionize the way you think about your wellness. By the end of this video, you'll be amazed at how versatile and powerful castor oil really is. History and background of castor oil. Castor oil has a fascinating history that stretches back over 6,000 years. It was widely used in ancient medicine, particularly in Egypt, where it was prized for its healing properties. The Egyptians weren't the only ones who discovered its power. Castor oil has been used across different cultures for everything from soothing skin issues to promoting overall health. But what makes castor oil so special? Well, it's derived from the seeds of the castor bean plant, known scientifically as Ricinus communis. This thick, pale oil is packed with nutrients and fatty acids that make it highly versatile. Whether applied topically or taken internally, people have relied on castor oil for its ability to help with a wide range of ailments, from easing muscle pain to promoting digestive health. Even today, castor oil remains a go-to remedy for many looking for natural, effective solutions. With a history as rich as its benefits, castor oil continues to stand out as one of nature's most incredible resources. In the rest of this video, we'll dive into exactly how you can use castor oil to improve your health and well-being. Composition and properties of castor oil. Castor oil may look like just another natural remedy, but its composition is what really sets it apart. It's packed with powerful compounds like alkaloids, flavonoids, terpenoids, and several phenolic compounds, including gallic acid, rutin, and gentisic acid. These elements work together to give castor oil its impressive range of health benefits. For starters, the anti-inflammatory properties make it a popular choice for soothing irritated skin, reducing swelling, and easing joint pain. The antimicrobial effects are another key feature, helping to fight off bacteria and other harmful microorganisms. This makes it an excellent choice for skin infections or minor wounds. Castor oil also contains antioxidants, which play a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals and supporting overall cellular health. Some studies even suggest it may have potential anti-cancer effects, thanks to its unique composition of compounds. With such a rich blend of health-boosting components, it's no wonder castor oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy. Whether you're looking to reduce inflammation, fight off infections, or simply improve your skin, castor oil's composition is what makes it a powerhouse in natural medicine. How castor oil works. What makes castor oil truly special is its ability to penetrate deep into the skin and tissues, far more effectively than many other oils. This deep penetration allows it to deliver its therapeutic properties right where they're needed most, making it an incredibly effective option for healing and pain relief. A major part of what makes castor oil so powerful is its high concentration of ricinoleic acid. This unique fatty acid makes up about 90% of castor oil and is responsible for much of its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects. Whether you're using it to soothe sore muscles, ease joint pain, or reduce inflammation in the skin, ricinoleic acid plays a huge role in delivering results. By reaching deeper layers of the skin, castor oil helps to nourish and heal from within, promoting faster recovery and relief. This is why it's often used for everything from skin conditions to deeper tissue issues like arthritis. The combination of deep penetration and ricinoleic acid is what sets castor oil apart from other oils, making it a natural, effective choice for addressing a variety of health concerns. Common uses and benefits of castor oil. Now, let's dive into the many ways castor oil can be a powerful tool in your wellness routine. From easing pain to improving digestion and even boosting hair growth, castor oil has a range of applications that might surprise you. We'll break this down into key areas, so it's easier to understand how you can use castor oil in your daily life. Pain and inflammation relief. One of the most popular uses of castor oil is for pain and inflammation relief. Whether you're dealing with arthritis, muscle aches, bone spurs, or even headaches, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can provide much-needed relief. Thanks to its rich concentration of ricinoleic acid, it works deep within the tissues to reduce swelling and ease discomfort. Several studies have shown castor oil's effectiveness in reducing inflammation and pain. In particular, research has found that applying castor oil to sore areas can decrease inflammation, especially in those suffering from arthritis. This makes it a natural alternative to over-the-counter pain relievers. You can apply it topically to the affected area, massaging it in gently, or use it in a warm compress to help increase absorption and effectiveness. Digestive health. Castor oil has also been used for centuries to support digestive health. It's well known for its ability to relieve constipation, but did you know it can also be beneficial for fibroids, ovarian cysts, and colon health? One effective method is to create castor oil packs, which you apply directly to your abdomen. This method is simple but highly effective at promoting digestive regularity and soothing internal discomfort. Clinical studies have backed up castor oil's reputation for relieving chronic constipation. One study found that castor oil packs helped improve symptoms in people with long-term constipation, offering a natural and gentle way to support digestive health. To make a pack, simply soak a cloth in castor oil, place it on your abdomen, and cover it with a warm towel or heating pad for about 30 minutes. This allows the oil to penetrate deep into the tissues, stimulating the digestive organs and promoting a healthier gut. Skin health. When it comes to skincare, castor oil is a multitasking marvel. Its thick, rich consistency makes it ideal for moisturizing dry skin, and its anti-inflammatory properties make it useful for treating acne. Castor oil can also help reduce the appearance of scars and prevent the formation of scar tissue, thanks to its ability to promote skin regeneration. Scientific studies support the use of castor oil for skin hydration, showing that it can lock in moisture and create a barrier on the skin to prevent dehydration. It's also been found to help with the healing process, reducing scar tissue formation after injuries or surgeries. For acne, its antimicrobial properties make it an effective, natural treatment option. Simply apply a small amount to problem areas, leave it on for a few hours or overnight, and rinse off. You'll notice softer, clearer skin over time. Hair growth. If you're looking to boost hair growth, castor oil is a popular choice due to its ability to enhance scalp circulation and nourish hair follicles. Many people use it as part of a DIY hair mask to help stimulate hair growth, prevent breakage, and keep hair healthy and strong. To make a simple castor oil hair mask, mix 2 tablespoons of castor oil with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and a few drops of rosemary essential oil. The coconut oil helps balance the thickness of castor oil, and rosemary is known for its hair growth promoting properties. Massage this mixture into your scalp, leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour, then wash it out with your usual shampoo. Use this treatment once or twice a week for best results. Over time, you may notice thicker, healthier hair with improved shine and strength. Eye health. Castor oil has even been used to support eye health, particularly for relieving irritation. Whether it's from dryness, dust, or allergens, castor oil can help soothe the eyes. There are also some historical remedies that suggest it might benefit more serious conditions like glaucoma and cataracts. One old bush remedy involves placing a tiny drop of castor oil directly in the eye to remove debris. While this might sound unconventional, it's been a trusted method in certain cultures for years. Always make sure to use cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil if you're going to apply it near your eyes. While research is still limited on castor oil's effects on glaucoma and cataracts, its anti-inflammatory and lubricating properties have made it a popular natural remedy for minor eye issues. Potential benefits for serious conditions. Now, let's explore some of the potential benefits of castor oil for more serious health concerns. While it's important to note that castor oil should never replace conventional treatments, there are some promising claims and research supporting its use in certain areas. Cancer support. There are numerous anecdotal stories and testimonials from people who believe castor oil has helped in shrinking tumors or breaking down abnormal growths. While these personal experiences are intriguing, it's always important to rely on scientific research. Some studies suggest that ricinoleic acid, which makes up a large portion of castor oil, may have cytotoxic effects on cancer cells. This means it could potentially help to break down cancer cells, though research is still in its early stages. That being said, castor oil should never be considered a replacement for conventional cancer treatments. Always consult your doctor or healthcare provider before incorporating castor oil into your treatment plan. It may be used as a complementary therapy, but it's crucial to rely on proven medical treatments for serious conditions like cancer, gallstones, and kidney stones. Castor oil is also believed to help in breaking down gallstones and kidney stones when applied externally. By using castor oil packs on the affected area, some people have reported relief from pain and even a reduction in the size of the stones. To create a castor oil pack, soak a cloth in castor oil, place it on your abdomen, and cover it with a warm towel or heating pad. This method helps the oil penetrate deeply into the tissues, potentially aiding in breaking down the stones. However, it's essential to consult a doctor before trying this remedy, especially if you're dealing with gallstones or kidney stones. These conditions can be serious, and while castor oil may help in some cases, professional medical advice is always recommended. Immune system boost. One lesser-known benefit of castor oil is its potential to boost the immune system by improving lymphatic drainage. The lymphatic system plays a vital role in removing toxins and waste from the body, and healthy lymph flow is essential for a strong immune system. Applying castor oil packs to the body can help stimulate this drainage, supporting overall immune health. It's a simple yet effective way to encourage your body's natural detoxification process. Menstrual cramps and hormonal balance. If you struggle with menstrual cramps, castor oil might offer some relief. By applying a warm castor oil pack to the lower abdomen, you can help soothe cramps and relax the muscles. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil can also reduce swelling and discomfort, making your period a little more manageable. Some women even use it to help balance hormones, as castor oil is believed to promote circulation and support the reproductive system. Just like with other uses, consistency is key. Using castor oil packs regularly during your menstrual cycle may help you experience more relief over time. Joint health. Another area where castor oil really shines is in joint health. Its anti-inflammatory properties can alleviate symptoms of osteoarthritis, helping to reduce pain and improve overall joint mobility. Whether you're dealing with stiff knees, sore shoulders, or aching wrists, applying castor oil directly to the joints can provide some much-needed relief. To get the best results, massage a generous amount of castor oil into the affected joint and cover it with a cloth. You can even apply a heating pad to help the oil absorb more deeply into the tissues. Doing this regularly may improve joint flexibility and reduce pain, especially in individuals dealing with chronic joint issues like arthritis. How to make a castor oil pack. Making a castor oil pack is simple and requires just a few supplies: a flannel or cotton cloth, castor oil, plastic wrap, and a heating pad. To get started, soak the cloth in castor oil, making sure it's saturated but not dripping. Next, place the soaked cloth directly on the affected area, whether it's your abdomen, joints, or another area needing relief. Once the cloth is in place, cover it with plastic wrap to keep the oil from staining your clothes or furniture. Then, apply a heating pad on top of the plastic wrap to help the oil penetrate more deeply into the tissues. Leave the pack on for about 60 minutes. The heat enhances the oil's absorption, allowing its therapeutic properties to reach deeper into your skin and muscles. When you're done, you can clean off any excess oil with a bit of warm water. This method is a natural way to soothe inflammation, improve circulation, and promote healing in the body. Important precautions. While castor oil is a natural remedy with many benefits, there are a few important precautions to keep in mind to ensure safe use. First and foremost, if you're pregnant, castor oil should be avoided. It has the potential to induce labor, so it's best not to use it during pregnancy unless you're under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Always err on the side of caution when it comes to pregnancy. For anyone using castor oil for the first time, it's essential to do a patch test. Apply a small amount of the oil to a small section of your skin and wait for 24 hours. This helps you check for any allergic reactions or sensitivities. If you notice any redness, itching, or irritation, discontinue use immediately. If you experience any skin irritation while using castor oil, stop applying it right away. Some people have sensitive skin, and although castor oil is generally soothing, it may not be suitable for everyone. It's always important to listen to your body. When it comes to internal use, you should never consume castor oil unless specifically advised by a healthcare provider. While castor oil can be used for digestive issues, ingesting it without professional guidance can lead to unwanted side effects. Lastly, if you're currently taking any medications, it's wise to consult your doctor before using castor oil. This is because it can interact with certain drugs, potentially affecting how they work. Your doctor can help ensure it's safe for you to use castor oil alongside your current treatments. By keeping these precautions in mind, you can safely enjoy the benefits of castor oil while protecting your health. Choosing the right castor oil. When it comes to getting the most out of castor oil, quality really matters. To ensure you're using the best product, always look for cold-pressed, organic castor oil. Cold-pressed means the oil is extracted without heat, which helps preserve its beneficial properties. Opting for organic ensures it's free from harmful chemicals or pesticides. Another important factor is making sure your castor oil is hexane-free. Hexane is a chemical used in some extraction processes, and you definitely want to avoid that. Lastly, choose castor oil that's stored in a dark glass bottle. This helps protect the oil from light, which can break down its nutrients over time. By selecting a high-quality oil, you're making sure it retains all its natural benefits, giving you the best results for your health and wellness. In summary, castor oil is a powerful and versatile natural remedy with numerous health benefits, from soothing pain to improving digestion and skin health. However, it's important to remember that castor oil should complement, not replace, traditional medical treatments. Always consult a healthcare professional before using it for serious conditions to ensure it's safe for you. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who may benefit from this information. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content for you.